quite a while.
I never saw that one. Bill and I will go there.
So I'd like to thank you all for not smoking in our station. Please, guys, no smoking in on the train. By doing so, you're thinking about the courtesy of others and our animals here at Animal Kingdom. So, welcome back aboard the Wildlife Express. Our one and only destination is going to be back to Africa, exactly where we started. Now, before we really get going, I just want to monitor our final conservation message. That is to reduce, reuse, recycle, and replenish where you guys go today. So, welcome back aboard the Wildlife Express. My name is Colby, and I'll be your conductor for today. Up front, our engineer's captain, we have my friend Olivia. She's going to be taking us back to Harambe, Africa. And as you notice, we are passing by these Asian huts. They are modeled after ones found in Indonesia. And as you see, these huts are built on stilts. That's to protect our villagers from the monsoon rainwaters and hungry and unwelcome visitors who would like to come in and steal and eat all their bananas. So if you guys do me the favor, keep a sharp eye out. Some of those banana thieves might have jumped on the train with us today. Who knows? They might be hitching a ride. You never know. They could be sitting right next to you.
Are you a banana fever?
And as you guys keep an eye for those banana thieves, look in front of us, we're passing by. A lot of trees, bushes, plants, shrub, maybe a few flowers here and there. As we pass by this wonderful vegetation, I'd like to let you all know about some Asian attractions. Out in Asia today, we do have Expedition Everest, Legend of the Forbidden Mountain. It's a high-speed roller coaster that will go forwards, backwards in the dark at 55 miles an hour. But be warned, everyone, there have been sightings of mythical creatures out of there who've been sent to protect the mountain. However, if Expedition Everest does not sound like your cup of tea, you could always check out the Maharaj Jungle Trek. It's a walking trail through the Asian rainforest. You guys can find tigers, Komodo dragons, and a lovely aviary of exotic Asian birds, as well as our newest addition to the Maharajas. It's going to be the lion-tailed macaques. They're a special species of monkey that can only be found out in Asia. Alright everyone, leave Asia behind us. We're going to be heading back to Africa. So, I'd like to fill you guys in about the Festival of the Lion King. It's our #1 rated show right here in Africa. It combines a little bit of Broadway with a little bit of acrobatics. Because the old boys are going to find Simone, Simba, and Boom Boom partying it up with all their friends. Now keep in mind, guys, we've got a show going every hour on the hour until 6 p.m. tonight. So what you can do is pick up the park map, the Times Guide, check out the Midas Experience app on your cell phones. This guy's going to know what's going on for us today. And a little bit of advice from me to you: if you're going to go see the Festival of the Lion King, give yourself about 30 to 45 minutes to head over there before the start of each show, so you guys can have some decent seats for the show. Alright, now everyone, as we pull into the station, just remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the train. Just remain seated until we come to that full complete stop at the station, and when we do, our friendly station staff can open up those gates and